Recording in progress.
This is video for the claw training, and this is going to be relatively, I think, simple because you're going to have this actual. I'm going to hand this to you all, and what you're going to do basically is, should have another sheet of paper here. Anyway, you're basically going to walk your person you're training through these three types of responses that we see to the gospel. The first response, or the three circles. The first response is I believed, I surrendered, I go to church, I've done that, I'm over here in the God's design or whatever, how they indicate they're in this area. And so real simple, we follow up, tell me your story, and we go from there. Are you currently part of a small group where you're reading the Bible and people are praying for you? No. Would you like to start with me? Yes. Do you know how to so you're basically going to just walk uh your buddies through that, and they're going to write this out and you're going to show it to them, and you're just going to walk them through this, and then they turn to their buddy and they just say, hey, when someone says this is what I do. Very, very simply. So you're going to use your notes and they're going to be looking at their notes. Then you just move over to the second response, to the three circles, which is in the middle, which is a very, very common response. Or they say I'm trying to get over here, but I'm in the middle, and stuff. Generally, they are people that are Christians, maybe, but anyway, you'll see what I say. I follow up. Why do you say that? Why do you say that? And then they'll very quick to answer that question. And so this response is going to take a little bit of memorization. Typically, when I hear that response, this is how I respond. It means that you have heard this message, but you are struggling with the surrender part and that's always the case. And then I ask them, would you like to learn how to surrender and follow Jesus? And that ultimately leads to some type of meeting one-on-one or a group. That's more training. And then the last response is, I'm in brokenness. I am right there, which we get a lot too. And when that happens, real quick question we ask, do you want to stay there? I know that seems like an obvious answer, no, but you'd be surprised. If they say yes, leave them. I leave them. Yeah, I like that. I like my brokenness. I like being atheist. I like whatever. I leave them gospel, the sheet of paper and my name and phone number, and tell me to reach out to me whenever they get to a spot where they want to get out of that broken cycle. If they say no, then I walk through what is keeping you from believing and surrendering to Jesus. I have them affirm the three circles. I literally walk through the three circles again, and they repeat to me in a very tight way. And then I set up a time to begin to meet with them one on one. So there's the three responses. This is video 4, and this will take probably the quickest, but you're just going to have them write this out on a new sheet of paper.